everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make jalapeno popper mac and cheese. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back and thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Like I said, we're going to be showing you how to make jalapeno popper mac and cheese. Let's head into our kitchen here and see what our ingredients are. We got milk, bacon, cheese, onions, butter, gemelli pasta, cream cheese, canned jalapenos, and cilantro. Now I will put all the measurements for everything down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Other than that, let's head over here and start cooking this up. Okay, you want to melt your butter without burning it. And one thing I did forget to add in the ingredient list there was flour, but that will be in the description box with the measurements as well. And as you can see from this video right here, I cooked the pasta and the bacon ahead of time, kind of speed things up, because I know everybody's got a lot of valuable time that they don't want wasted, and you don't need to see me cooking pasta or cooking bacon. So I just did it up ahead of time, and I've got my mise en place over here. As you can see, let me get everything over here. Whoa, there we go. I got everything cut and diced and ready to go, so we can get this video underway and be a lot quicker about it. So anyway, butter's melting. I want to take my onions that I diced up. I want to just throw those in there in the butter. And I did not waste any of the bacon fat. All that bacon fat is right here. We're going to throw right in there as well. And we're going to use all of this. We're going to render this down. Add our flour to it. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit here. I want to render this down a little bit before we add our flour. So all we're basically doing is making a cheese sauce, and then we're going to throw everything in. So making it easy for you at home. Let these onions sweat just a little bit more in this grease and butter. All right, I'm going to add the flour to make our roux. I just want this roux to cook before we add our liquid to it. All right, now we're going to add our milk. About a quarter gallon there. God, I love it. It's a half gallon. Half of a half gallon. I guess that's 2 quarts, yeah. Half a gallon. Bear with me, this is my third video of the day and I'm a little brain dead. I'm going to turn the heat up just to get this going and thicken up. Alright, as you can see, this is starting to tighten up. I don't want it too thick or too thin. It's okay if it's a little thin because you are going to be adding macaroni to this or pasta, and it's going to absorb some of that liquid as well. But right now I want to throw in our cream cheese. This has been tempered to room temperature. Don't do it directly from the refrigerator because it'll take a long time. But you want to just temper that in there and get that started so it'll mix in. Then I've just got a cheddar melt with American cheese in there as well that we're going to use to create the sauce. Alright, so this is breaking up into there, so now I'm going to just add a little bit at a time. I'm going to add our cheese in here. And the cheese will help thicken it as well. So if you're a little bit loose when you start, all these other ingredients will kind of help tighten it up. And if it does get too tight, you can always add a little more milk to thin it out, a little bit at a time. But this is turning out real well here. Really cheesy. So we've got the bacon over there. And our jalapenos, I'm going to put the jalapenos in, and this has liquid as well too, so that will add to the liquid. Almost like a queso right now. Then we get our bacon. Like I said, I could have diced up the bacon and cooked it in there with our onions and the butter and done it that way, but I'd like to save you folks a little bit of time watching this because I know you're all busy. But this looks really, really good. Cilantro, I diced up. Now we add our pasta. It's half the box right there. I'm going to switch to a spoon to stir this up better. Just going to give this a little taste here. That's good. It's really good. Alright. I'm going to put the lid on, let this get hot, and when we come back we're going to plate it up. Okay, mess has been cleaned up. We are at a boiling bubble here. Oh, that's thick, rich. Cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna turn it down. What we're gonna do now, of course, is we're gonna plate this. We're gonna take some awesome photos of it for social media. I'm gonna lay those photos into the timeline of this video with some groovy music for you to enjoy. So enjoy that music while you're looking at these pictures. There we go. Still very hot. Threw a little cilantro on top for some color, and then I'm going to try to give this a bite here if it's not too hot. This tastes just like a jalapeno popper. I'm really in shock. It tastes just like one. Could have thrown some breadcrumbs on top for that crunch too, but wow, the sauce and the bacon and jalapeno in there. Yeah, this is really, really good. I'm gonna have another bite here. That's a winner. Now I did use, excuse me a minute. Now I did use the canned jalapenos because they're a little bit milder. I got them on sale too. I think I got 5 for $2 at the store. But I encourage you to use whole jalapenos that are real, but I was doing this for the lovely and fetching Mrs. Politte, and I didn't want to overwhelm her with the heat. So I just used the can because she does tolerate those well. This is really good. I did a little of the prep beforehand, which makes it a little easier not only to shoot, but also to cook. So while the pasta's boiling, cook your bacon, dice your onion, dice your jalapeno, get all your stuff set up so you got a nice mise en place and you're ready to go when it comes time for putting this together. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe if you have not done so already, and share. Please share this video with everybody that you know. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.